Hey everyone, let's get started with our Jolly Phonics Group 4. We are going to review our letter sounds, and then we're going to sing our Jolly Phonics songs, and then Miss Sarah is going to do some shared writing. So if you would like to join Miss Sarah during our shared writing, you can grab your marker, your paper, if you have a dry erase board, anything that you can use to write, you can follow along with Miss Sarah at the end of the video. So let's get started, my friends. We are in Jolly Phonics Group 4 of our letter sounds. One thing I want to remind everyone, let's talk about this. When we see one dot under letters, it means there's only one sound. So here we have a team. We have one dot and two letters. That makes a team. So here we have A. We have one letter and one dot, so that means it makes one sound. J, 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 j. Over here we have two letters with one dot, so it makes one sound, and it's O. O. Here we have one dot and two letters, and it says I. We have one dot, two letters, it says E. And over here, we have one dot and two letters, and it says or. So now we're going to sing our song, so sing along with me because I know you all know the words, and then do the actions while we sing the songs.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
A. J, 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 j.
Jello and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j.
O.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Now we're on I.
The captain said aye. The captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye.
E. And or.
See the donkey in its stall. E or is its call.
Let's do that one more time so that we can practice.
The captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye.
Let's practice E or one more time since it's together.
See the donkey in its stall. E or is its call.
Very good, you guys. Okay. Now we're going to get started on our shared writing. Miss Sarah is going to use her whiteboard today to do our shared writing. Miss Sarah is going to use two colors, but you only need one color if you'd like. Miss Sarah is going to use two colors because she is going to use one to draw the dots under the sounds. Okay. Miss Sarah drew 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So that means there's going to be 3 sounds in this word. The first sound is S. The middle sound is A. And our ending sound is T. S, A, T. Sat. Sat. The word is sat. Very good. Okay. Let's do another one. Miss Sarah is going to do. Beginning sound is H. Middle sound is A, A, A. And our ending sound is T. Let's blend the word together. At, at, hat, hat, a hat. Very good, you guys. Okay. I don't know. Miss Sarah might trick you guys on this one. Do you think I'm going to? Let's see if I can trick you. Or are you guys going to be too smart for me? You always were too smart. G, O, T. G, O, T. G, O, T. Goat. The word is goat. See, I used a team. 2 letters together that make only one sound. All right, my friends, I'm going to do one more word. I'm thinking of a good word to use. Okay. All right. B, A. My beginning sound is B. My middle sound is A. And my ending sound is T. B, at. B, at. Bat. The word is bat. All right, friends, that is it for today's shared writing. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.